With the Galaxy Z Fold 6 serving as the basis for this new foldable, there has been a lot of talk recently about the future Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which has everyone excited. In the foldable market, there are several exciting changes that might make it a game changer. Let's start by talking about the device's name. At first, it was being referred to as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which sounded quite sleek, but it appears like Samsung has decided to rename it the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition now. This name change may not seem significant, but it suggests a distinct personality for the model. The project has been quite the roller coaster behind the scenes. There were even speculations circulating at one time that Samsung was thinking of scrapping it entirely. At first, Samsung's SES was focused on developing a foldable device that could compete with the very thin designs of competing devices like the Honor Magic V3. But wait, after some difficulties reaching that degree of thinness, it seemed like the project could be abandoned. Nevertheless, the Samsung team chose to give it new life, and now we're only a few weeks away from an exciting launch. Even more fascinating is the sudden appearance of the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition on the Samsung India website. The fact that India is now involved opens the door for more global availability. Who knows, other countries might also get a chance to experience this foldable goodness? Speaking of launches, it looks like we have some dates to put on our calendars. Previous leaks suggested it would be launched in limited markets, primarily focusing on South Korea and China. According to reports, the special edition appeared on T-Shop, a well-known Korean retailer, with an October 18th debut date. Pre-orders are available until October 24th and shipment will begin on October 25th, which is quickly approaching. It feels like we're getting ready for something special, and now that the excitement has subsided, let's talk about the design. Before the Galaxy Z Fold 6 even made an official appearance, there were rumors circulating about a more refined, expensive version, and everyone was excited about the possibility of a fall release, which was first known as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. This version was expected to have a sleek appearance that would make it popular among tech aficionados and casual users alike. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.